A kid once told me to my face that my class was going to be stupid and that nobody writes anymore. 9 months later, he wrote me a thank you email so good it almost made me cry. Almost. Coach Herb doesn't cry. Coach Herb gets something in his eye. So, here's the resume, quick version. 30 years teaching high school English and writing. Somewhere in there I picked up an award or two. Not bragging. Well, maybe a little bit of bragging. Hey, I'm Coach Bob Herb, and if you've ever stared at a blank page and thought, I got nothing to say, or if writing makes you want to throw your laptop out a window, congratulations, you found your people. But here's the part that actually matters. For 12 of those years, I taught writing interventions. That's teacher speak for the kids who were told they weren't good at this. The reluctant writers, the eye rollers, the ones who didn't pass their state test. The why do we even have to learn this crowd? I loved every single one of them. Let me tell you about one kid. First day of class, he looks me dead in the eye and goes, this class is gonna be stupid. Nobody even writes anymore. Bold strategy. I respected the confidence. Fast forward to the end of the year, that same kid wrote a full business plan for his own social media channel. He started writing scripts and asking me, unprompted, to edit them for him. And then right before he walked out of my classroom for the last time, having passed the STAAR writing test, he wrote me an email that I still think about. It's not because I'm some kind of miracle worker. It's because writing isn't a talent you're born with. It's a skill. And skills can be taught, one block at a time. So, who's this channel for? If you're a student who's staring down a state writing test and feel like everyone else got a manual you never received, this channel's for you. If you're an adult who's never a writing person, but suddenly needs to write emails, reports, essays, or captions that don't sound like a ransom note, this channel's for you too. Parents trying to help their kid with homework without starting a screaming match. Yep, you're in the right place too. So here's what we're gonna do together. No jargon, no pretending you already know things you don't. We're starting from the ground up. Word choice, sentence building, paragraphs, and then how to actually write with a purpose and an audience in mind. Real skills, real order, no skipping steps. I spent 30 years watching reluctant writers turn into writers who, dare I say, didn't hate it anymore. Some even actually liked it. I know, I was kind of shocked too. So here's my promise to you. Subscribe, follow along with each lesson, and you'll build the base to improve your writing block by block. All right, grab a pen or don't, we'll get there. I'll see you in lesson 1.